Hey, what's up everybody? If you're a subscriber and you're returning, fantastic, I appreciate it. If you're new, maybe you want to consider subscribing after this video. When I was younger, I cooked at a very popular family style restaurant called Calico Kitchen. Great food, probably one of the best in Passaic County. They had a very popular dish, potato pancakes. I'm still in contact with the owner. I asked his permission if I could make this video using that Calico recipe, and he agreed, and I'd like to thank you, Ron. And I know you're a subscriber, new subscriber, and thanks for that too. Now these were good. These went along with a burger. They were given a side, or they were given as a breakfast. I don't know how these differ from Latkas. I really think you're going to enjoy this. All right, what I have here is about 3 pounds of potatoes. You can use any type of potatoes as far as I know. These are russets, and I'm going to peel these. I'm going to chop these into fine pieces. Cup of all-purpose flour, 2 ounces or 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, teaspoon of salt. I'm going to use a pinch of garlic powder, pinch of white pepper, 1/2 pound of raw onion. Now I weighed these. I weighed the onions and I weighed the potatoes. So this is a little bit more than 1/2 pound. By the time I peel them, it'll be 1/2 pound. 6 eggs, 6 large eggs. So I'm going to use my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, use a box grater. You with the coarse grate, or a blender. Just keep in mind that you'll probably have to wind up draining off any water that's on there. Here I have 2 onions, which is 1/2 pound, and I cut these fine. Here I have about 8 medium potatoes, which is about 3 pounds, and I cut these kind of fine. Now I normally use my grating attachment from my food processor, but I found in the past whenever I did that, I had to wind up cutting them up with a regular blade anyway, so that's why I'm trying it this way. But by all means, you don't really need a food processor to do this. It just makes things go a little bit quicker. We're going to layer this. I'm going to put some potato, some onion, some potato, some onion. And let's pulse it. Now, when I was working at Calico, they actually used a meat grinder for this. And if you have the KitchenAid attachment with the meat grinder, you can use that. I have that, but I just didn't feel like dragging all that out. Okay, so it looks like I've got a little bit of liquid in here, so I'm gonna strain it, and then I'm gonna put everything back in the bowl, and then we'll be back. This is a couple spoonful. It doesn't take much. Just put it in. Fine sieve. Shake it around a little bit. And you'll see it starts to come together. And that's it. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like mashed potatoes. Alright, there's still a little bit of liquid in there. I'm not worried about that. So to this, we're going to add our oil, our teaspoon of salt. You can add more if you want. I'm going to add just a couple shakes. Use about a pinch of garlic and a pinch of white pepper. eggs. What's good about this recipe is you cook them in two parts. We're gonna brown them in the skillet to firm them up, and at that point, if you want to freeze them, you can freeze them for up to 30 days. Or if you're gonna cook them, you deep fry them in oil. Now the flour. I need to change. I can't mix with a spoon. Okay, so I have a non-stick skillet here, or frying pan. I'm probably going to do these two at a time. Okay. You're going to use a dry pan. And you're just going to spoon them in like that. Just like on a pancake, once you start seeing the edges drying out and cooking, then it's time to flip them, and they should be, golden brown. Okay, so. Oops. Yep. Could have gone a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to finish cooking these up, and then I'm not going to fry all of them. I'm just going to fry a couple for breakfast because it's 8:30 in the morning, and I'm going to let the others cool, and then I'm going to wrap them up and freeze them. Okay, I got some oil heating up here. Got a plate with some paper towels because you want to blot these, and I'm gonna fry up 3 of the potato pancakes we made. Now if your oil's too hot, they're gonna burn. If it's not hot enough, the potato pancakes are gonna soak up the oil. All right, our oil seems to be up to temperature. We'll find out as soon as we put in the potato pancake. Yep. You want to cook these until they're golden brown. So it'll take about 4 minutes for them to be golden brown. I'm going to call this one ready. Okay, so there you have it. Calico Kitchen potato pancakes. They're served with applesauce and they're out of this world. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Hope you try them. If you try them and you're from the area, it's going to bring back some great memories. Calico Kitchen was a great place to work, and it was a great place to hang out, great place to eat, great people to work with. It's just so sad that, you know, everything must come to an end. So anyway, this is John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like this, and we will see you again soon.